Good morning, everyone. This is Tamiya Robles from FixMyCreditNow850.com. I am the owner of FixMyCreditNow850.com. I'm also the founder and president of a nonprofit organization called The Movement. Today, I am doing just a short video on removing inquiries. So, that is a huge thing. A lot of my clients ask me all the time, or potential clients want to know, hey, can you remove inquiries? I need them removed. So, as always, I do have an ebook that I give to my clients. If you want to do it yourself, you can just call, follow the script. It works most of the time. It's an old hack from back when the pandemic first happened. And then it stopped working, and then it works again partially. But if you want me to do it, that's fine. If you want my company to do it, we can definitely take care of it for you. And we're pretty effective. Yes, I can remove an inquiry on an active credit card that you are currently using. No, it will not turn off your credit card. That's a myth. It's just something they say to prevent you from disputing and removing your inquiry. So I'm taking this client of mine, pretty cool client, and I'm going to update their SmartCredit, their credit report, so you can take a look and see for yourself that we've removed inquiries. In case you're not aware, I am partnered with SmartCredit. I have been partnered with SmartCredit for quite some time, ever since I started being a credit repair specialist. I recently was interviewed by them, so you can take a look at our YouTube channel. Subscribe, you can see it on there. You can see it in my Facebook group. So I updated their SmartCredit report, and you can see the deletions. Now, this client has a ton of inquiries. They have more inquiries than they have collections or missed payments. I think they only have a few missed payments and one collection. But she came to me with, I believe, I want to say about 80 inquiries, something of that nature. So she needed them off. So I've been taking them off. Excuse me, with every round, I'm getting a bunch deleted. As you can see, this is, let me see, what is this, her Experian. She has 17 deletions here. Equifax, 21 deletions, and TransUnion, 10 deletions. So let's take a quick look so you can see under results what exactly was deleted. So this is her credit report. Today is April 3rd, 2023. And these are the results. So this is a software I use, Client Dispute Manager. And it helps me track their information, their results. It does a whole lot. It communicates to the client so they can see. So she's going to see what I see. I already sent her results, believe it or not. So I know she's going to be thrilled. But for today, with today's update, this is what has been removed from her credit report. Her inquiries have been removed from Equifax here. You can see Equifax, Experian, TransUnion. If I scroll down and scoot over, you can actually see all three credit bureaus, what was deleted here. So her Equifax, she has a bunch of inquiries removed here. The missed payment was deleted from both TransUnion. Is that TransUnion? It's removed from Equifax and TransUnion. Yep. Late payments are huge. You got to get those overturned because it is drastically dropping people's credit scores. But yep, more inquiries removed. This is amazing. There's some inquiries removed from Experian. Yep. So yes, we do get inquiries removed. All right, and these are the companies that she that were removed. See, as over time, we were deleting inquiries. But for April 3rd, yeah, this is how many she got for today. So she's actually almost finished. I think this last round, we're going to send out more disputes for this month. but I think this should be it, and then she should be done. So if you guys are interested in me fixing your credit, let me know. I do remove student loans. I have another client. I'm going to send you guys an update probably in 2 weeks, but she has a very, very large student loan. She's not waiting for Biden. She tried to go the Biden route and that didn't work. So she reached out to me and she just received a letter from the Department of Education stating that they're in the process of removing her student loan. And if she wanted to bail out, she could. Naturally, she does not want to. So I will send you those results as well. But yeah, this is what we do: bankruptcies, charge offs, collections, medicals, inquiries. But I just wanted to show you guys on a Monday, starting your week off. So if you're interested in getting your credit repaired, definitely reach out, leave a comment. You can go to my website if you want to schedule a free consultation. That's fixmycreditnow850.com. You want to give us a call, it's 267-536-9296. And if you want to become or interested in becoming a member of the nonprofit organization and want more information, just give me a call or reach out to me. You guys have a great day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.